Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Startups for Railways policy launched. Recently, the Minister of Railways launched the Startups for Railways policy in New Delhi. On this occasion, an online portal was also inaugurated. The policy is aimed at bringing efficiency in the field of operation, maintenance and infrastructure creation through participation of the startup ecosystem. Through this platform, startups will get the opportunity to connect with railways. Now, information about Startups for Railways policy. 11 problem statements like rail fracture, headway reduction, etc. have been taken up for phase 1 of this program. These problem statements will be presented before the startups to find innovative solutions. Startups will be given 50% capital grant, assured market, scale and ecosystem from Indian Railways. Salient details of the innovation policy are: grant up to Rs 1.5 crore to innovator on equal sharing basis with provision of milestone-wise payment. The complete process from floating the problem statement to the development of the prototype is online with a defined timeline. Trials of prototypes will be done in railways. Developed intellectual property rights, that is IPR, will remain with innovators only. Decentralization of the complete product development process at the divisional level to avoid delays. And selection of innovators will be done by a transparent system which will be dealt through the portal launched.